Hello students, good morning all of you. Today I discuss standard 8th, your chapter 2 science. Question answers to discuss. Your first questions, what is immunity? Your answers, the ability of one's body to resist a disease is called immunity. Your next questions, what is pasteurization? Pasteurization is a process in which milk is heated at about 70 degrees Celsius to kill the bacteria present in it and cooling it quickly to 10 degrees Celsius to prevent the remaining bacteria from growing. Your next questions, what is meant by fermentations? Name the scientist who discovered it. Your answers, the process of conversion of sugar into alcohol by the action of microbes is called fermentation. Louis Pasteur discovered the process of fermentation in 1857. Your fourth number questions, explain the formation of curd from milk. Warm milk turns acidic when curd is added. Lactobacillus bacteria present in the curd help in converting the lactose sugar present in the milk to lactic acid by the process of fermentation. The acidic medium needed for casein protein present in the milk to coagulate to form curd. Milk plus curd in the presence of lactobacillus bacteria to convert milk acidic and also convert casein protein into curd. Your 5 number questions, what is vaccine? How does it work? A small dose of dead and weakened disease causing microbes used to stimulate immune response in the body is called vaccine. When a vaccine is injected in the body of healthy person, the body of healthy person produces antibodies against introduced microbes. These antibodies remain in the body and protect him against future infections of same microbe. Your 6 number questions, how do leguminous plants increase soil fertility? Your answers, the leguminous plants contain rhizobium bacteria in the roots. This bacteria absorb nitrogen gas from atmosphere and convert into nitrates. After harvesting, when roots decompose, then these nitrates mix with soil. Hence, this compound increase the soil fertility. Your 7th number questions, what is nitrogen assimilation? The process of conversion of inorganic nitrogen compounds into organic compound that become a part of living organism is called nitrogen assimilations. Your 8 number questions, what is denitrification? What is denitrification? Your answers, the conversion of nitrates into free nitrogen gas by Pseudomonas bacteria is called denitrification. Your next questions, advantages of food preservations. The many advantages of food preservations. First, nutritional value of food is retained for long period. Next point, it increase the storage period of food materials. Third point, it decrease the wastage of food by avoiding spoilage. Fourth number, it ensures the food availability at distant place and during the off seasons. Your next homework questions. Explain two methods of food preservations. Explain two methods of food preservations. 11 number, what is nitrogen cycle? 12 number, write short notes on virus and bacteria. Write short notes on virus and bacteria. This is a homework questions to write down answers in your notebook and learn many times. Thank you very much.